Before, I didn't know there was Gong Jun in the entertainment industry. After all, Gong Jun was not popular at the time, and he was only 18. There was no such person in the entertainment industry. Although he also had dramas, and he was also the protagonist, but still no fire. At that time, he also filmed Delayed Correction, but when he was filming, it didn't catch up with The Good Time, so there was no large-scale publicity. Now, with Delayed Correction again, Ling of Mountains and Rivers became popular and became famous, so he filmed it before. Those to-be-broadcast dramas began to be broadcast one after another following this popularity, but the broadcast effect was not so good, and all fans were watching. However, his follow-up resources are still good. He received an endorsement and collaborated with Dilariba on The Legend of Anla, which are all good. He also made a work with Zhang Chushi, but there was a problem with the crew he was in. Gong Jun didn't have much black material at first. Shiga, and later, because of the account problem, Gong Jun has been riddled with black material for a month, and now he has managed to keep a low profile and return to the public again, but he was crooked in an endorsement. L'Oreal also paid too little attention to Gong Jun. On the poster of Gong Jun's endorsement of L'Oreal, I don't know if L'Oreal is intentional or not, L'Oreal is written as European Kai Ya. What does this mean? The reviewing staff are too careless. And no matter how you type, you can't type lie into Kai. Still implying Gong Jun, dish. After L'Oreal made a low-level mistake, Gong Jun was ridiculed by the group. After all, before, no spokesperson would be ridiculed like this, or simple words were written wrong. It can also be seen that L'Oreal does not respect Gong Jun. Pay attention to. Just when netizens were ridiculing, another endorsement of Gong Jun was brushed out of the circle by fans. No one cares about L'Oreal's mistakes. That's right, in the comments under this hot search, fans said that they could watch the Glory press conference. Of course, some fans also said that the artist probably wanted to go home for the Dragon Boat Festival. It seems that fans understand this misunderstanding. I just hope that Gong Jun's next endorsement will not make such a mistake, so Gong Jun is very embarrassed.